Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I want to share with you some vocabulary that are related to عيد الأضحى vocabulary. بغيت نبارطاجي معكم واحد الفوكابولير واحد المفردات اللي عندهم علاقة بعيد الأضحى. احنا مقبلين إن شاء الله على عيد الأضحى. وبغيت نبارطاجي معكم واحد الفوكابولري that we can use concerning عيد الأضحى vocabulary. إن شاء الله هنشوفوا واحد المفردات اللي عندهم علاقة بعيد الأضحى. So before I start, don't forget to share the video, don't forget to subscribe, comments, okay, in order to share all these information with your friends. Okay, thank you so much. So we will start. We have here عيد الأضحى vocabulary, مفردات عيد الأضحى. So we're gonna start by the first one. Okay, the first vocabulary that we have the Greer Bayram. The Greer Bayram يعني هو عيد الأضحى. The Greer Bayram كما كنقولوا حنايا بالدارجة عيد الكبير. Okay, the Greer Bayram. Right? Good. So we have the second vocabulary, pilgrimage. We have pilgrimage يعني الحج. Okay, pilgrimage. We cover Greer Bayram, and the second vocabulary is pilgrimage. Right. So the third vocabulary that I want you to share with you is the sacrificial animal. Sacrificial animal. يعني هي الأضحية. Okay, the sacrificial animal. Here, الأضحية. Okay, we have another vocabulary. Sheep. Okay, الغنم. Sheep. Okay, يعني اللي هو الغنم ولا الغنم. In classical Arabic. Also, we have another that we have free of the sacrificial animal. We have ram. هو الخروف. Okay, ram. And we have different types of ram. Okay, كاين بزاف ديال الأنواع. كاين ستاردي, كاين الدمان. Okay, we have different types. We have ram, هو الخروف. We have another thing. We have goat. The goat. Here المعزة. Okay, goat. Okay, goat. We have ram, goat. Okay, the thing that ram and goat eat, we call it bill of hay. The bill of hay. يعني كنقولوا بحنا بالدارجة البال ولا التبن. Okay, so we say bill of hay. The bill of hay. Good. So also we have another vocabulary, to slaughter. Okay, يعني كيذبح. To slaughter. Okay, like in العيد الأضحى, we slaughter the ram. Okay, يعني كيذبحوا الخروف. Okay, to slaughter. Okay, after slaughtering, so we are going to the skinning. To skin. To the verb to skin. To skin يعني كتسلخ. Okay, like the thing that we have here. To skin. Okay, he is skinning the ram. يعني هنا كيسلخ الخروف. Okay, to skin. The verb to skin. Okay, and the noun skin. To skin. We cover to slaughter and we cover to skin. Okay, to slaughter and to skin. Also we have to cut. We have different verbs. كاين بزاف ديال الأفعال اللي نقدروا نستعملوا concerning Eid Al Adha vocabulary and the process that we did in every year. Good. So after skinning, we have when you skin the ram, you are going to have the sheep skin. The sheep skin يعني ديك البطانة. اوكي البطانة ديالو. اوكي يعني كنقولوا حنا بالدارجة الهيدورة ولا الجلد ديالو ولا هذا. اوكي the sheep skin. I put some picture here but it doesn't I don't know why it doesn't appear. سمحوا لنا كنت درت واحد التصويره هنا بالبطانه. كلكم راكم عارفين شنو كتعني sheep skin الهيدورة. Okay, so we have also to cut. Okay, يعني من بعد ما كندير داك البروسيس ديال to slaughter to skin كيجي العمليه ديال التقطيع. To cut the ram and to cut the meat in different pieces. Okay, we have also another vocabulary. We have father. The father means العرف ديال الماشية. كاين different types of father. Okay, father هو العرف ديال الماشية. The thing that they ate and etc. Right? Good. We call father. Okay, so as to know how we pronounce the word father. Good. قلنا العرف ديال الماشية والعرف الماشية. Okay. So also we have the cattle markets. Right now, like all people go to the cattle market in order to buy the ram and in order to see the prices of sheep, etc. Okay, we have the cattle market. يعني سوق الماشية. The car market. Good. So also we have another vocabulary. We have the liver هي الكبد. يعني هي الكبدة. The liver. Okay, the liver هي الكبد. So we have kidney يعني الكلوة. Okay, kidney ولا الكلي. Okay, so kidney. We have spleen هو الطيحان. spleen هو الطيحان. spleen. كنا هنايا we have the charcoal brazier هو المزمر. Okay, charcoal brazier. Okay, هو المزمار. and we have different kind of charcoal braziers. Okay, عندنا بزاف ديال الانواع ديال المجامر اللي كيكونوا عندنا. Okay, we have charcoal brazier. Good, right. We have also liver process ولا كنقولوا ليهم liver skewers. Okay, انا نكتبها لكم هنايا. Okay, باش طلع لكم liver skewers يعني هو بولفاف. Okay, liver skewers هو بولفاف اللي كنديرو من النهار الاول I think ديال عيد الاضحى. يعني الصباح ديال عيد الاضحى. Okay, we did liver process ولا liver skewers. Right, good. Also we have another thing. We have roast the lamb's head. يعني كيشوط الراس ديال الكبش. roast the lamb's head. Okay, roast the lamb's head يعني بعد ما we did the slaughter and we did to the skin in or to skin. Okay, we did the roast the lamb's head يعني كنديرو كيشوطوا الناس الراس ديال الخروف والكبش بالرام. اوكي, شفنا شنو كتعني الكبش هو ram. Okay, roast the lamb's head. Good. Also we have another thing. We have jerked meat ولا air dried cured meat. Okay, jerked meat هو الكديد. اوكي, كما كتشوفوا هنايا في هاد التصويره. ولكن ماشي not all Moroccan people do that things. ماشي كلشي المغاربه كيديروا هاد jerked meat. ولكن in some cities in Morocco they did that thing. اوكي, مزيان كيديروا هاد العادات والتقاليد ديال jerked meat الكديد كرداس. اوكي, with different things. We have jerked meat ولا كنقولوا ليه air dried cured meat. jerked meat ولا air dried cured meat يعني هو اللحم الكديد. اوكي, jerked meat كما كتشوفوا انا مقطع ومعلق هنايا. اوكي, حتى كينشف. اوكي, another thing we have is we have the tribe هي الدوارة. tribe هي الدوارة. اوكي, the tribe هي الدوارة. اوكي, so كما تشوفوا هنايا هذه هي الدوارة. من بعد كيديروا تقلية. اوكي, نهار الاول ولا I think the second day ديال عيد الاضحى كاين الناس كيديروا التقلية. اوكي, الدوارة tribe. اوكي, الدوارة. right. So we have also another vocabulary, another expression. واحد العبارة واحدة أخرى. hang the cow fat to dry. So من بعد كيعلق شحم الدوار باش تنشف. يعني من فاش كنديرو سكانين اوكي وممكن and floor scan etc we cover كتلقى الترايب ديك الدواره كتلقى عندها واحد ديك الشحمه كنقولوا hang the coal fat to dry كيعلقوها باش تنشف هذيك الشحمه تنشف اوكي hang the coal fat to dry hang the coal fat to dry hang the coal fat to dry right good so also we have another thing we have buzlov the buzlov اوكي the buzlov الراس ديال الخروف مشوي ولا تنقول حنايا مبخر مفور that's the exact word مفور اوكي the buzlov اوكي يعني هو الراس مبخر so the buzlov هو الراس ديال الخروف مشوي ولا مبخر good so also we have the clever صاد ديك المقدة بالعربي بالدارجه كنقولوا مقدة اوكي يعني باش كنقطعوا الخروف اوكي ولا الساطر the clever good right another vocabulary we have is okay so yes right now we're gonna move to just some expressions غنشوفوا واحد العبارات كيفاش نقولوا كيفاش نهنيو الناس بالعيد الاضحى in English also in Arabic good we have also we can say sometimes we can say happy Eid we say happy Eid right or we say sometimes okay we can say happy Eid for all Muslims in the world happy Eid for all Muslims in the world okay Eid سعيد لكل مسلمي العالم happy Eid for all Muslims in the world or we can say also I wish you all a blessed Eid Al Adha I wish you all a blessed Eid Al Adha I wish you all a blessed Eid Al Adha أتمنى لكم عيد الأضحى مبارك I wish you all a blessed Eid Al Adha good right okay and the thing that we have thank you so much هادشي اللي عندنا في concerning vocabulary that relates to Eid Al Adha so please don't forget to share the video with your friend okay don't forget to if you like the video try to leave subscribe in the comments thank you so much and concerning the vocabulary we are going to do different things concerning vocabulary we are going to have a series of improving we call like improving vocabulary improving your vocabulary غتكون عندنا واحد السلسله ديال just vocabulary improving your vocabulary thank you so much thank you and see you in another video